there is a group of people who sacrifice themselves day and night just to ensure excellence. Their tools are not the dazzling props on stage, but the machines and blades in the dark, and a pair of uncompromising hands. Some say this is a job that goes unnoticed by most. So why be so persistent? But they know the value of decoration is not just on the surface. It's in every unseen detail. Some say it's just a few inches of error. Why care so much? But to bring a designer's vision to life and to let people enjoy the beauty of a new home, they have been carefully inspecting every piece of wood from the beginning. Some say, wait, enough talking. They never just talk. They create with their hands. They create the extraordinary. For them, excellence is not a goal. It's just a way of life.